Hi there everyone, and I know that a lot of you have been waiting for the results of this giveaway, and the winner has been chosen. They have been contacted in the comments of the build video for the Jedi training remote. So if you entered, go back to that video. I'll have it linked up here. Check the comments, and the winner, like I said, I will have contacted them in the comments. It'll have instructions on how to get in touch with me so that we can get this to you. I am super excited for you to get this. I am really happy with how this turned out. I hope that you will be too. To those of you who didn't win, I am very sorry, but if you've been a longtime subscriber, you know that I try to do these giveaways as often as I can. A great way to help me do that is to help support the channel. So you can either subscribe to the channel if you've already done that, or if you just want to take an extra step in supporting the channel, you can go check out our Patreon. There's some really cool stuff there for you, and that is really the best way for you to help support the channel so that I can continue to bring you the best content that I can, and it allows me to do cool giveaways like this. So all of your guys' support has been greatly appreciated. Make sure to stay tuned because the next giveaway is never very far away. So thank you guys for all of your support. Until next time, I'll see you guys later.
517 to scanner control. 316, report to control. 53 to upper bay door. 53 to upper bay door.